It looks like Samsung is gearing up for a significant camera upgrade with the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's been a while since we've seen a major overhaul in the camera department for Samsung's Ultra phones, beyond the main camera improvements. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's periscope camera tweak, which reduced the optical zoom from 10x to 5x, was perceived by many as a step backward. However, things are about to change with the S25 Ultra, which is set to receive a substantial camera upgrade. Renowned leaker Ice Universe has reported that the S25 Ultra will retain its quad camera setup but will significantly enhance two of the cameras with larger and higher resolution sensors. Leaked specifications on Weibo reveal that the S25 Ultra will feature a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope camera with 5x optical zoom. This represents a considerable improvement over the S24 Ultra, which includes a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope camera with 5x optical zoom. Samsung's persistence with 10-megapixel and 12-megapixel sensors, while competitors advanced to 50-megapixel and higher, was getting outdated, but it appears they are now ready for a significant leap forward. What do these upgrades mean? If these leaks are accurate, the S25 Ultra will deliver better photos in both daylight and nighttime conditions. Additionally, it will be capable of 8K video recording on all its rear cameras, offering exceptionally high resolution and detail for both photos and videos. There's also speculation about Samsung using a newer 200-megapixel sensor that approaches a 1-inch sensor in size. If this comes to fruition, we could see a dramatic improvement in photo quality, especially in low light, along with enhanced depth of field. Early next year, we might witness a complete transformation in camera quality. Beyond the cameras, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to bring more than just camera upgrades. Anticipated features include a new design, upgraded internals with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, improved on-device AI, and One UI 7 based on Android 15. Meanwhile, the S24 Ultra might see significant improvements with the release of One UI 6.1.1. According to Ice Universe, Samsung is developing this update to address various camera issues reported by S24 Ultra users. These issues include a dirty and noisy sky, particularly in low-light conditions, motion blur in photos, banding in scenes with the sky, overexposure in parts of the frame, an oil painting-like effect in photos taken with more than 10x zoom, high grain and noise in low-light videos. This upcoming update promises to tackle these problems. Samsung typically rolls out these updates to their foldable phones first, so it's likely that the S24 series will receive this update by July, aligning with the anticipated launch of the Z Fold 6. The S25 Ultra, on the other hand, will debut with One UI 7. Overall, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera upgrades represent a significant shift for Samsung, promising enhanced photo and video quality, a new design, and improved performance. With these changes, Samsung is poised to make a substantial impact in the smartphone market, catering to both photography enthusiasts and general users looking for a top-tier smartphone experience.